compress. Hey guys, welcome to another SHEIN haul. Today's haul is different. It's not skincare. I got some items for kitchen and some for my bedroom, beddings and kitchen items. Those are the things I want to share with you guys today. Pardon the noise, in case if you're hearing noise, hubby is cooking. I'm not far from the kitchen and maybe baby will be talking as well. Excuse that, okay? So SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's get into it. Gorgeous, if you like it here, subscribe. Thank you so much, and don't forget to put on the post notification bell. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you like any of the item I want to review today, their links will be on the description box, and also you can use this code here. All right, let's get into it. Each of the items, you're going to love them. Believe me, just trust me on this one, you're going to love them. So first thing I want to share with you guys is this teacup. Okay, it's teacup. You see, it's transparent. I was thinking it's two inside. No, it's one. That's two in one. This is how it is. I'm going to put a picture of it. All the items, I'm going to put the picture as well, so that you guys can see the way it is on the website. And the way it is on the website is exactly like that. When you get it, you're going to say, wow, it's exactly like that. So this teacup is so gorgeous. I think I'm going to get other ones. I'll get like 3 of it because I really like it. It's so beautiful. I like it. I think the purpose of this, so that when you put your tea here, to not be too hot for you to hold like this. And this handle, you can see the handle is really big. You can put your hand like this. You see, I really like it. Your full fingers can enter. See, it's so cute. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is this vase here. This vase is so lovely. So lovely. I don't know if my camera is doing justice to this, but the way you see the picture there, that is how it is. It's so lovely. But the only thing is not as big as I thought, okay? Because I saw there on SHEIN they have small, medium, large, then it's L, which SL, which is extra large. So I said, the extra large, because when I saw the picture, the large was so big and the extra large was high. I was like, okay, that would be too big for what I want to use it for. So if you want to put it in your table, buy extra large. But if you just want to put it in a small corner, you can just buy this size, the large. Okay, so this is it. It's so cute. It's so cute. When I mean cute, this is really cute. It's so beautiful. I want to share the kitchen items first before I will share the rest with you guys. These gloves here, they are kitchen gloves. When you want to bring out something from your oven, this is so beautiful. I was thinking it's two, not knowing it's only one inside. So it's so beautiful. Look at they have something like silicone here. This one is like silicone, and the inside there is cloth. You can see the inside. It's so lovely, so lovely. With this, there is no way you will burn your hand, even if whatever you want to bring out from your oven is so hot. There is no way you will burn your hand. This here is lovely. So the next one is this one here. To bring out I don't know the name they call this. What's the name they call it? That's to turn your steak, or to turn your steak, or to like whatever. You guys understand what I'm saying. So this is it. So the size is perfect, lovely size, beautiful color, everything about it. It's just exactly the way it is on the picture on the website. It's like that. That's how it is. Then the next one is this one. I'll put the picture for you guys to see. It's something just to put my serviette paper. serviette paper, okay, gold detail. We love it. See the picture. This set of plates, I don't know, is it dishes I will call this, but they are plastic. I was thinking they are breakable, but they are not breakable, but they are so cute. Anyway, they are so cute. And the fact that they are not even breakable, I'm happy, because for my baby this will be cute. I have 6 here. They come in 6, I think so. Is it me that just picked 6? I think they come in 6. They came, is it they come or they came, whatever. So in 6 like this, you guys can see them. Let me take it back, okay? You see it. They are 6. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I like it. This set of spoons, see them, see the picture here. They are both colors. The set, each one is 8. The spoons are 8. The fork is it fork or fork? Ah, it even has smaller. Oh wow! It has smaller fork. It has big ones. I was thinking these are small spoons. I'm happy about it. I also got all these spoons. Let me show you guys these spoons. I think they are cotte spoons, something like that they call them. It's all these long spoons. See, they are cotte spoons. And I took about 6 or 8. Okay, it's 8 of each. I like them too. In short, I love everything that I took. Everything is so beautiful. I'm not disappointed at all. If I'm disappointed, I will tell you guys. Like that of the vase, I told you guys that is a little bit small. It's not as if I'm disappointed of the quality. It's just the size. Because what I saw on the website is not as big as that when I received it. If not, I would have taken SL. So next item is this here set of pots. Is induction. See, it's 3 in 1. It came with one cover, half smaller one, medium and big size. So you see the way it is. The way it is, you're seeing here is like that. It is like that. The only thing that was like a little bit disappointed is the cover. They just added cover on the smaller one. The rest too, they don't have cover. That's the only thing. If not, they are beautiful. They are so okay, perfect. The size, everything is okay. So this is how it is. I've opened, bring it out. You see them. This is the bigger one. This is the medium, and this one is the smaller size. So you see the smaller size. This one has a cover. And the cover it has, when you're cooking, this where the heat or vapor can come out, okay? So they would have at least just add cover in everything. I don't know why they did not add cover in everything. Anyway, it's beautiful, so beautiful. The way it is, you're seeing it, the picture, everything is the same thing. I've tried it, I put it on my induction, it works. Okay, and the other thing I like with this, look at the under. You see the under. The other thing I like is the handle. It's only one handle that came with it. So this handle, you can use it for the tray. Okay, it's just for you to clip it like this and you lock it. Okay, you see. So with this handle, you can use the handle. For the tray, and I like it because with this you can range your pot. Because all this hand, when you want to range pot, I wish you can just do all the pots like this. I'll be so happy. I have something like this before. It's very small. It's not this color. It's another. This is not this color, but it's even okay. I think it's this side, and it has this handle, and that one is breakable. So the handle, it was broken. And one day the thing fell from my hand, so I used it. But it's not this one. But I like this one because this one, the way it is, even when this thing falls, it cannot break. I like it. So you just bring this like this, and you remove it. So when you want to put it on another pot, for example, let me put it here on this one. See it here, okay? You see? Wow, you just press here and you bring it out. I like that. It's easy for you to raise your set of pots. See the big one, you clip it too. You see, I really like this set of pots. Don't miss out, don't miss this. In short, everything I got, they are so beautiful. To my expectation, I'm happy. I am happy. Everything is just perfect. So now everything about kitchen is done. So we're going to move on to the beddings that I told you I got. So the beddings will go, okay, no, not everything for kitchen. I still have some things for kitchen. These napkins, okay, these napkins for kitchen napkins. It's napkins they call them, right? You see, the texture is everything. I really like them. See, I have about, I think it's 10 or so. 10, yeah, this is a set, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can't remember. Maybe it's me that choose how many I want. Maybe you have to choose the pieces you want. I think so. If I'm not making a mistake, I think it's like that. So I think I pick about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know whether it comes like this or it's me that just choose 12. I think they have set of 4, set of 6, 8, 12, or even more than. They are so beautiful, so soft. It's really, really lovely. Then the other thing are these beddings. So where winter is here anyway, so you know with winter you have all these duvet. You wear beddings to cover the duvet. Some comes in white. I have most of them here, they are white, so you just wear it. I'm going to display the way it is. So this is it. They have different sizes. The size I took is 200 by 220 by 240 or by 280, because that's my bed. My bed is very big. 220, 280, something like that. So yeah, I like it because it has two sides. You can decide to use the brown side, you can decide to use the cream side. So it's so beautiful, and it came with 2 pillowcases. The pillowcases are wide too. They are so wide, see, and long. Okay, 2 sides. They are lovely. So the last one that I want to share with you guys, which is the last thing I want to share with you guys, is this duvet. Okay, I need scissors to cut this. I'm just going to cut this thing. I never want to bring it out before, but I think I should bring it out so that I'll be able to wash it. I don't know how they force this thing inside this place, because this thing is so big. I don't know how it was able to enter. They compress. Yeah, oh wow, this is so cute. I love this. This will be so warm. Okay, it's not a duvet, it's a blanket. See it, it's a blanket. Look at the design. You see the design? So I think it was the last review I did from SHEIN about home findings. I think I have something like this pillowcase. Yes, there's a pillowcase like this. Oh, so see, I don't know if you guys can see the design. Can you guys see? Okay, this is it. Guys, this is so warm, so warm. I took the same size, that's 220 to 80, something like that. It's so lovely. I love this. I like this. You guys know winter is almost here. We are in fall right now. Very soon winter will be here. So that is it for this home findings from SHEIN. I hope you like everything, and if you like any item, head to the description box. Their direct link will be there. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous, and please, gorgeous, before you go, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and that notification bell, okay, so that each time I upload videos like this, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Stay gorgeous, remain gorgeous. I love you guys. Bye.